Hey guys, welcome back to Rhoda Eats. It's your girl Rhoda, and today I'm here to bring you a meat alternative. If you're looking for something delicious, vegan friendly, and just something that everyone will enjoy to the point where they won't even miss the meat, then you can definitely try my lentil sauce. So let's get into it. I start by washing my lentils under cool running water. Then I add it to a pot and then cover the lentils with enough water so that it will not dry out as quickly as it could if it were too low. I add garlic and thyme that I grew myself, and I let it boil. I do check after 20 minutes to see if it is tender, and when it's tender, then is when I start to add seasonings. I do not season my any peas or beans during the initial boiling process. So here I'm just adding some vegetable seasonings and of course some sazon. Now guys, you have to remember that seasoning is to your taste. You could use any seasoning of your choice to do this. All right, don't mind my daughter in the background right now. All right, so add whatever seasonings you like. I'm just showing you what I'm adding, and ingredients and everything will be down below in the description box as always. And of course, you guys know I have to add my green seasonings. If you're new here, I love my homemade green seasonings. Maybe one day I'll do a video to show you how I make mine and what I put in mine. Just let me know down below if you're interested in that. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna stir it up, let it boil and finish cooking so that all these flavors can marry together. All right, now at this point I'm adding coconut milk, okay, or coconut cream, because I don't know, no lentil sauce dish is complete without it. So yeah, after you add that, all you have to do is cover it and just let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes or more, depending on how soft you cook your lentils to in the initial stage. But it is so delicious, guys. I promise you will not miss the meat. This is vegan friendly, and again, you can always move the seasonings around, add whatever you want, okay? And I love to have this with spaghetti. I also like to have it in roti. Absolutely delicious, okay? It is nice and saucy, of course, because why would you have dry peas on spaghetti? You know what I mean? So yeah, I have it with my pasta. And I just have a couple almond flour garlic knots back there that I did my best to make as close to the real thing. All right, so don't look at them, it's just for aesthetics at this point, but it was delicious. So yeah, this is my vegan friendly lentil sauce. All right guys, it was so good making this video. I hope that you do try it. Okay, you can have it with rice. I mean, really, it's just delicious, and I hope you try it. All right guys, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing, easy and delicious content. And I want to know, have you ever had meatless options before? And what was your favorite thing to try? Again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.